Hi, I'm Michael Spitzbergen, founder and CEO of Spitzlift. We're here today in Southern California at our manufacturing facility, and I want to demonstrate to you some of the features and benefits, value proposition of Spitzlift. We have a variety of different applications to show you today, and we've set up a number of different displays to show you as well. This is a napide surface body, the KUV. You can see how we have our Spitzlift set up inside of it. One of the things I want to start out by showing you is with every Spitzlift is we manufacture it and assemble it before it goes into packaging. We do a live load static test, and each lift comes with a load certificate. Also, we CNC machine in control numbers as part of our total quality management program. We have patent numbers, serial numbers, and so forth for our full traceability. Over here I'm going to show you how Spitzlift in its carrying case can simply be set up here. I'm going to show you how quick we can unfold it. I'll just slide it right out of that bag. This unit weighs about 30 pounds. It has a 900-pound lifting capacity. It has a built-in brake mechanism that gives you full load control whether you go up or down. I'm just going to simply release the handle, flip it over, let off a little pressure, unwind the strap, and I'll just take this hook out right here. I'll unfold it. I'll remove the little keeper pin, set this pin in place. Now, I have different heights and different weights that this can be set up at. See how easy I picked it up. I'm just going to set it in our truck receiver kit system for now to get it out of the way. Our truck receiver hitch will fit in any 2-inch receiver hitch. It's designed to work on all types of pickup trucks. You can use it in vans, SUVs. However, we view it as more of a consumer product. More of your industrial guys, they'd prefer to have the lift permanently installed into the vehicle. Here I've got the remote in my hand. I can simply just let out some of the line here. I'll unhook the hook from the stowed secured position. Then I can just bring it out here, have a good long reach for rotating, raising and lowering loads in and out of the trucks like generators, compressors, and so forth. This unit has webbing installed on it. Out of the thousands of units that we have out in the field, most of our end users prefer the webbing because of the way that it lays on the drum. It's very user-friendly. It doesn't bird nest or tangle up. However, if you want an extended reach, we also offer synthetic rope and cable. One of the great benefits and features about Spitzlift that I also want to talk about is how it's portable from one application to the other. Right here, I'm going to show you our battery pack. This is our 12-volt battery pack. It has a good, strong duty cycle. What I can do is I can actually set this lift off the truck over onto another application, like maybe by a workbench or in a confined space for changing out equipment, making repairs and modifications. So I'm going to bring this on over here. I'm going to set this down for now. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab this lift that we have in the back of this truck, and I'm going to move it, showing you how easy it is to move it from one application to the other. I'll simply unplug the power supply. I'll take the lift. I'll set it out. I'll set my post base into this bracket into our display here. Simply slide the lift into place. I'll plug the battery pack in. And you can see that I've gone from one application to another. I can also reset the height. Put the little keeper pin back in for safety. This is our pickup surface plate. It can be installed in the pickup with either the tailpiece facing down or facing up. You notice there's a different hole configurations for tying it into the superstructure of the truck for full structural integrity. Now I want to show you the bracket for the KUV.
Hi, my name is William Spitzbergen. I'm using a Spitzlift, loading a big generator into the back of a KUV built by Napide. Here I go.
This is the bracket, again, that we developed with Napide, and it works great in different enclosed service bodies. Comes with a full hardware kit. You can install it in just a couple of hours. It's a great solution as well. Gives you plenty of rotation in and out of the KUV. It's very user-friendly as far as retrofit installations are concerned.
Hi, I'm Geneva Spitzbergen, and today I'm going to show you how to use the truck receiver hitch kit.
This unit weighs about 30 pounds. It has a built-in brake mechanism that gives you full load control whether you go up or down. Unfold it, remove the little keeper pin, set this pin in place. I have different heights and different weights that this can be set up at. Our truck receiver hitch will fit in any 2-inch receiver hitch. It's designed to work on all types of pickup trucks. You can use it in vans, SUVs. However, we view it as more of a consumer product. More of your industrial guys, they'd prefer to have the lift permanently installed into the vehicle.
I'm Michaela Spitzbergen, and I'm here to demonstrate Spitzlift use on a concrete deck.
Our concrete surface plate is really similar to the bracket that we use on the KUV and on the platform truck, but it's designed to bolt right to a slab or to a deck. You can actually core drill it, bolt it right into the concrete, have a flush surface here so that vehicles can drive over. It's not a trip hazard. Or you can also bolt it in with a tail piece facing up for like alongside of a workbench or in a confined space where maybe you're going to use it to make some repairs on some equipment. Next, I want to talk to you a little bit about our service body brackets. The Spitzlift and the bracket with the hardware system weighs about 80 pounds. So it's under 100 pounds worth of payload that we're going to add to the service body. Once a chassis has been loaded with the service body and all the tools and equipment, there's not a lot of room left for payload. And that's where Spitzlift comes in real handy because it has a minimal amount of impact on the payload. I want to show you another service body bracket. This is our corner mount bracket. The first one I showed you goes on top of the side pack. This one right here goes on the corner of the side pack. All the Spitzlift brackets come with all the hardware needed, fully assembled, ready to install. Now let me show you the bracket that we use on the platform or the flatbed trucks. This bracket right here can be installed around the perimeter of the truck. And what we're seeing more and more of our end users doing, municipalities and so forth, national fleets, they're installing these around the perimeter of the flatbed, and they're simply hopscotching the lift from one side of the truck over to the other side of the truck to have full access around the body of the perimeter of the truck. To show you a couple of our universal brackets, I'm going to show you our vertical bracket here. This is our bolt-on bracket. It has a 6-hole configuration. You can literally bolt this thing just about anywhere, and then the post base just slides in and out of it. Any vertical location, it's a good solution all the way around. That's our primary brackets. Covers just about all the applications, whether it be on a truck or van, on a trailer, and a few of our universal brackets for off-the-truck applications. However, over the years, working with our customers, we have developed a number of solutions to fit the necessity of whatever the application may be. We're experts at meeting those needs, so feel free to call on us anytime regarding custom applications. Let's talk now a little bit more about the DC Spitzlift. Again, it's a lightweight portable crane, weighs less than 40 pounds. As you can see here, we've CNC'd in our control numbers patent numbers, serial numbers, and the information that we need as part of our TQM for total traceability. Out of the thousands of units that we have out in the market being used every day, more than 90% of the customers choose the webbing over cable or synthetic rope, simply because of the way that it lays on the drum. It's very user-friendly. However, we do offer the lifts with cable or synthetic rope depending on the application. Another thing I want to show you is our power unit. It has a dual braking system. It has a dynamic brake and it also has a disc brake for full load control. If for some reason we're to lose power on this, we have a little window over here that we just simply insert this hand crank and we can manually let the load down. Now, keep in mind that this Spitzlift comes with a wiring harness that has a circuit breaker that ties into the positive side of the battery. And if there's an overload situation, that breaker's going to kick. It takes about 15 seconds or so for it to cool down, and then it'll kick back on. We think that's a great safety feature. This is our DC powered unit. It's our 4-foot unit, standard off the shelf, 72-hour ship time. Again, this is our manual unit. This is actually the 4-foot unit as well, 72-hour ship time. I want to thank you for taking the time and watching this video and learning more about Spitzlift, our products and our capabilities. You know, over the years we've installed Spitzlifts on everything from nuclear subs to aircraft, a variety of military vehicles. It's being used in the oil field, also being used by elevator companies. We have a long list of success, and we recognize that over this past decade that establishing relationships with you and your company is our key to success, and so customer service is of the utmost importance to us. Again, thank you for watching the video. If you'd like, we could send you our catalog, some more information on the website, or feel free to give us a call. Thank you very much. Bye for now.